Today is the meeting of Salwa airline for expanding their business. Hello everyone, thank you for coming to our meeting today. Okay, today we will be discuss about our planning new airline route for our business. Okay, should we start our presentation now? Okay, for your general information, we have chosen our new route, which is Atlanta to the Washington. The duration for the flight is 1 hour 33 minutes or 1 hour 40 minutes. The distance from the Atlanta to the Washington is 860 kilometers. The population in the Washington DC is 7.615 million people. Okay, so we comparing between four aircraft and choose the best two aircraft. Okay, for the first one, we are comparing between two airports for the best route selection. Okay, for firstly, we have found that there are two airports that serve our route. Firstly is the Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport and the Birmingham Airport. We will begin with the Ronald Reagan Airport. Regional National Airport, or more simply Washington National Airport, located adjacent to the border of Washington DC. It served around 24 million passengers in the 2019. Okay, this is the statistic for Ronald Reagan Airport. Okay, next is Birmingham Airport, which is located 7 east southeast of Birmingham City Centre, with the number of passengers being around 13 million in the 2019. Okay, in the below is the statistic of the Birmingham Airport. Okay, from our finding, we have concluded that the Ronald Reagan Airport route is the best for our passenger. This is due to the number of passengers going in and out of the airport and how smooth the operation are compared to the number of residents. The airport is just 5 miles away from downtown Washington DC, and the border is visible from the airport, making it interest and convenient commercial airport to the capital. Next, the airport offers non-stop flight to the 98 destinations and 8 airlines. Terminal and facility include National Hall connecting Terminal B and C. Lastly, the CA has 46 gates with gateway, 9 gates in the Terminal A, 12 in the Terminal B, and 25 in the Terminal C. Phase 2, the comparing of the 4 aircraft. Airbus A220-100 versus Embraer E195. For the Airbus A220, manufactured by Airbus Canada Limited Partnership, designed by Bombardier Aerospace, cost 81 million, narrow and medium range type, 110 to 115 passenger, capacity with two class, which is business and economy, use engine Pratt and Whitney, maximum cruise speed Mach 0.82, travel range 6297 km, range of climb 1 feet per minute, maximum takeoff weight is 63100 kg, full tank capacity 21805 liter, baggage volume 23.9 meter cube, and lastly fuel economy 2 liter per 100 km per passenger. Engine of A220-100. Okay, this is the characteristic of engine of A220-100. Manufactured by Pratt and Whitney. The price is $12 million. Thrust class 108.54 kilonewton each engine. Bypass ratio has ultra high bypass version. Nominal performance sea level. Takeoff thrust 23300 lbs. Bypass ratio 12 to 1. thus off-weight ratio can reach to 5.08. Okay, next is the characteristic of airframe for the A220-100. It's the smallest jetliner in Airbus production line to serve 100 to 135 seat market with unbeatable efficiency and comfort. Broad seat, plenty of overhead storage space and large window. Single axle aircraft that fill of wide body jet. Advanced aluminium in the fuselage, advanced composite on the wing, empennage and the rear fuselage, with reduced increased corrosion resistance, therefore better efficiency and maintainability. Modern materials make up more than 40% of aircraft primary structure, delivering weight saving for reduced fuel burn with an accompanying reduction of CO2 and NO emission. Cockpit configuration enables pilot to fly in two versions. First is A220-100 and its longer fuselage is A220-300 variant with the same type rating. Design features and technology of A220-100. It has a clean sheet design, incorporates advanced material combining corrosion and fatigue-free composite, titanium and latest aluminium lithium alloy for lighter and coefficient aircraft. Okay, next powered by Pratt & Whitney latest generation turbofan engine. Next, the feature low drag nose and tail cone design and optimized wing aerodynamic. Next is altogether provide a 20% less fuel burn per seat and 13% cost advantage per seat. Next, provide community benefit. Next is 20% reduction in CO2 emission per seat. Noise footprint up to 50% smaller than previous generation. And lastly, 50 fewer nitrogen emission than standard. Okay, for the Embraer E-195, it has narrow body fuselage, cost $81 million, hold 120 to 148 passenger with two class configuration. Use engine Pratt & Whitney. Maximum cruise speed Mach 0.78. Travel range 4 to 60 kilometers. Maximum takeoff weight 61500 kg. Fuel tank capacity 30181 lbs. Fuel economy 16% to 24% lower burn and 15% to 25% maintenance cost per seat. Okay, next the engine use of E-195. Okay, the engine manufactured Pratt & Whitney. Price $12 million. Thrust class 105.93 kN each engine. Takeoff thrust 1900 until 23000 lbs. Thrust to weight ratio reach as much as 4.96. Okay, next aircraft that we compare is Airbus A319-100 and Boeing B717. Okay, first the characteristic of A319-100. It a mid-size passenger jet manufactured by Airbus, cost $89.6 million, assembled at Hamburg, Germany and Tianjin, China. Hold 1 to 4 until 156 passenger with two class. Maximum cruise speed 952 km. Travel range 6801 km. Rate of climb 12 feet per minute. Maximum takeoff weight 75500 kg. Fuel tank capacity 7883 gallon. Baggage volume 27.64. Engine of A319-100. It used International Aero engine. Cost $9.7 million. Manufactured by International Aero engine. Thrust class 111 kN for each engine. Takeoff of thrust 23040 lbs. Thrust to weight ratio minimum of 4.18. Bypass ratio 4.9 to 1. Mass number of 0.82. The characteristic airframe, it has a low wing cantilever monoplane with a conventional tail unit, short to medium range and narrow body, wing swept at 25°, narrow body airliner to have its structure made significantly of composite material, enhancement in a large winglet, large luggage bin, new cabin look and weight saving. Combined benefit has improvement delivered up to an 8% in operating cost, improvement in fuel economy by up to 15 and the ability to carry 20 extra passengers through arrangement of the cabin. Okay, next is the design and the technology. In-flight entertainment available on business class only. Economy class use personal device entertainment, free earbud to those using PDE. The cockpit utilize electronic flight instrument system, which feature full glass cockpit and the electronic centralized aircraft monitor, which display information of all aircraft system. Benefits such as a simple control system, redundancy, weight saving, and increased safety measure. Next, new cabin interior design for the A320 family. Ensure the A319 meets the need of airline travel while setting new standard for passenger comfort on a single Asia jetliner. Next, calm and quiet cabin provide fresh new look, more overboard space compartment, noticeable reduction in noise and option for relaxing ambience lighting, all of apply while maximizing the concept of being a lighter passenger aircraft. Okay, next is the Boeing B717. The characteristic is hold 134 passenger maximum, price $45 million, travel range 3815 km, maximum cruise speed 917 km per hour, fuel economy 0.230 km per liter, fuel tank capacity 1667 liters, baggage volume 20.7 meter cube, maximum takeoff weight 54886 kg, contain 2 Rolls-Royce engine at the aft fuselage. Next, the engine of B717. The engine of B717 is manufactured by the Rolls-Royce, price $7 million, twin shaft turbofan engine, has a supercharger able to increase core power. The thrust 95.33 kN for each engine and high bypass ratio. Next characteristic for the B717 airframe. It has two engines, single axle jetliner, 100 seat marker and mid-size passenger jet, designed for short haul, high frequency. Use modern technology to reduce operating costs and offer noise reduction and emission. Thus, use composite material on some part of its fuselage. Okay, lastly, previously known as McDonnell Douglas. Okay, next, the technology. First, incorporate modern and proven avionics technology. Second, does not contain any in-flight entertainment monitor or any related to it. Next is flight deck configure with 6 liquid crystal display and advanced computer system that is similar to those in the new Boeing jetliner. Instead, it utilizes the personal device entertainment. Passenger can access the in-flight entertainment by connecting to the aircraft network. Okay, final decision that we have made is we choose two aircraft, which is A319-100 and A220-100. The reason for choosing A220 over E195 is because firstly is clean sheet design for 100 to 150 passenger seat market segment. Second, bring together state-of-art aerodynamic, advanced material and latest generation technology and engine, have a range of 6,300 km and the most efficient small single axle aircraft. Next, total of 113 of A220-100 been used by Delta Airline alone. And lastly, engine have high efficiency component and advanced combustor technology that slash CO2 and N2. It also have more economic configuration of seat, which suit our airline business model of low-cost carrier package. Next, the cabin design is comfier for passenger and flight crew than the E-195. Next, the ultimate range of thrust to weight ratio of A220 is higher than E195. Lastly, the compatibility of engine use result in 20% fuel burn advantage. Okay, next is the reason for choosing A319 over B717. This is because it has a suitable for our low-cost carrier package mid-size passenger jet that is a part of A320 family, which inherits the technology and safety features of the latest and newest model of A320 fleet. And next, it has capacity of holding maximum of 156 passengers, which is higher than B717 and also set the standard for a low-cost carrier. Next, provide top range comfort with generous seat wide for low cost. And next, improvement within A319. A-frame that provide weight saving, 8% improvement in operating cost and 15% in fuel consumption. Next, the A319 also have a travel range of 6801 km, which is very large and able to keep the option of utilizing and travelling to other locations that can fit with the distance covered by the aircraft. In comparison to the B717, it can travel maximum distance of 3815 km, where it's suitable for regional and domestic flight. So, the A319 is the best for long-term operation. Next, the cabin interior of the state-of-the-art to provide comfort and stability. Lastly, using of modern technology such as EFIS and ECAM reduce the risk of faulty and safety issue within flight control. Depending on the organized configuration, the A319 can host an extra 20 passengers. Next, deliver 15 fuel burn reduction per seat and 20% reduction per seat through cabin intervention and efficiency improvement. Lastly, eco-friendly with 5,000 ton less CO2 emission per year and nearly 15% reduction in noise footprint compared to previous aircraft generation. Phase 3, Chart Organization. Okay, this is the organization chart of the Salwa airline. Okay, this is the analysis between the aircraft A220 and A319. Below is the different analysis between the A220 and A319. Phase 4, Capacity Management. The purpose is to prevent any lost revenue due to the spillage and spoilage of the passenger capacity. The aircraft should have an extra seat between range of 20 to 40 to prevent the spillage and spoilage of passenger capacity. Okay, this is the flight schedule and frequency Atlanta to the Washington DC route. Next is the flight schedule and frequency Washington DC to the Atlanta. And this is the frequency of flight from the Atlanta to the Washington DC. This bar graph chart show that every month have increasing operating profit and net profit. Okay, for this price is the calculation for the total of revenue and the total of revenue loss of the aircraft A319. The table show the comparison between the A220 and A319. Okay, the Airbus A220 have passenger capacity which is 110 to 115, but the Airbus A319 have 124 until 156. Addition seat, extra 5 seat for the A220, extra 32 seat for A319. Longest flight for the A22 is 5 hours 50 minutes and 9 hours 50 minutes for the Airbus A319. Fuel consumption, 20% less fuel burn for the A220, 50% less fuel burn for the A319. Okay, the Airbus A319 is a recommended aircraft is because it has high demand due to its flying frequency, can fly more hours compared to other aircraft, and it has high profit because of it can carry more passengers. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. See you next time.